To my jiu-jitsu community, if you're sick and tired of always having to stretch to improve your hips when it comes to rolling, there's a great series of exercises that you can do to have a stronger, more complex guard. My name is Dr. Maurice Disley. I'm a physical therapist, performance coach, and a grappler myself. I'm the owner of Elevation Physical Therapy and Performance. We're a performance-based physical therapy company specialized in helping grapplers and combat athletes get out of pain and improve their performance. Today, we're going to go through a series of exercises that you can do in your program to improve your mobility, improve your strength, and have a more complex guard. So even before getting into the first exercise, we're going to use a pre-test and a post-test position to improve your mobility for your hips. The first pre-test position is called the shin box. So as you're sitting in this 90-90 position, connecting your heel to your knee, you're going to lift your arms and try and maintain this position. This is your starting position. You're going to switch hips. Same position. Lift and hold. The second pre-test position you're going to do is called a cowboy sit. So I'm going to have one foot up. I'm on my opposite toes. I want to align my heel with my knee and sit back. Notice if there's any discomfort in your hip. Then you can switch positions and sit back. First exercise we're going to do is called a single leg bridge. This is to improve hip mobility. You're going to lie on your back. You're going to raise one knee from the floor at 90 degrees. You're going to push through the middle of your foot and lift your butt off of the floor. Maintaining a gentle tuck in your pelvis. You're going to push through the middle of your foot and lift your hips off the floor. You're going to perform this exercise for 12 repetitions. After your 12 repetitions, you're going to switch sides. Same thing, remembering that gentle tuck into the floor, pushing through the middle of your foot, and back down. After your 12 repetitions, you're going to retest the same positions we worked on. So that shin box between both sides, as well as the cowboy sit. Second exercise is a standing kickstand deadlift. From a standing position, you're going to place one foot in front of the other. You want to have a soft knee in your lead leg. There's not a lot of weight in the back foot. I'm going to maintain my hips straight forward. From here, I'm going to sit my hip back and bend up my torso. Get to about parallel to the floor and rise up. You're going to perform 8 repetitions. The goal here is to feel length or a stretch happening in your lead glute. From the back, one foot in front of the other, maintaining a softness and weight in that forward foot. You're going to sit your hips back and rise up. After your 8 repetitions, you're going to switch feet. Again from the back. My weight is in my lead foot. My knee stays bent. I'm sitting my hips back. From these exercises, you're going to retest those same positions again. A shin box, both sides, as well as a cowboy sit. Your third exercise is going to be a side bridge series. Starting in a side plank position, forearm directly under the shoulder, knees will stay bent. You're going to come up into a kneeling side plank, pushing your hips forward. Your top leg, you're going to raise to 90 degrees and down. You're going to do 8 marches. When you've finished your 8 marches, you're going to take your top hip and it's going to roll over the top leg. You're going to take your top hip and it's going to roll over the bottom leg. Five repetitions here. You're then going to switch sides. Side plank position, shoulders directly under our elbow. From a kneeling, we're going to rise. You're going to march the top leg. 8 repetitions. After your 8 repetitions, the top hip is going to rotate over the bottom leg. After these exercises, you're going to retest your shin box and your cowboy sit. The final exercise is a Copenhagen plank. Using a box, a bench, or a chair, you're going to return to the side plank position. You're going to take your top leg and place it on top of the box. From this position, you're going to lift your hips and your bottom leg off of the floor and return to the floor. You're going to perform 10 repetitions. Then switch sides. From a side plank, top leg is going on the box. Raise your hips off the floor and return to the mat. Once you've completed the Copenhagen's, you're going to retest your shin box and your cowboy sit. If you want to build a body that performs better both on and off the mats, you can reach us through our social accounts, email, or by phone. Thank you, and keep on rolling.